What's up, everyone? It's me, your Solitary John Valencia, and welcome back to True Asia Diaries, a mega love shoutout mga ka-Jeromantics! Yes, we are back for a reaction video for Jerome Ebardome para sa kanyang mga latest performance with a KDR band sa Bataan. Yes, naichika nyo nga to sa akin at syempre reactan natin ang kanyang mga performance, and this is for the performance of In the Ghetto by Elvis Presley. Ako, first time ko ito mapapakinggan, guys, kaya naman I'm so excited to check this out. But before proceed, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Truly Asia Diaries. So what are we waiting for? Let's go check this out. Alright, we are playing in 3, 2, 1, go. Here it is, guys. I love the outfit. Medyo nagkakalaman ng Jerome for today's video. Oh my God.
On a cold and gray Chicago morning, a poor little baby child.
I miss this. Oh my God, guys. Napaka-fresh ng isang Jerome Ebardome. Look at the screen. Grabe. And na-miss ko tong vocal na to. Love song pala tong In the Ghetto.
There's one thing that she don't need is another hungry mouth to feed in the ghetto.
Iba ang mga nuances.
People, don't you understand?
Eh.
The Chinese family. Well, here I'll be an angry young man someday.
Grabe, nakaka-good vibes pala tong song na to ni Elvis. First time ko siya napakinggan, guys.
Take a look at you and me. Are we terrified to see? Do we simply turn our heads and look the other way?
Oh my God, what a low tone. I love that nuances of Elvis Presley. Nakuhang-kuha ni Jerome. And like what they said, yung feels, yung heart, and genuinely singing, yun ang naihahatid ni Jerome sa atin. Yay!
And a hungry little boy with a runny nose plays in the street as the cold wind blows in the ghetto.
Ganda ng low tone register.
And his hunger burns. So he starts to roam the streets at night, and he learns how to steal, and he learns how to fight in the ghetto.
Ang ganda talaga ng low tone register na In the Ghetto. Kuwang-kuha, guys.
Then one night in desperation, the young man breaks away. He buys a gun and steals a car, tries to run, but he don't get far, and his mama cries.
Love it.
As the crowd gathers round, an angry young man face down.
Chill vibes lang, no? Smooth lang ang atake ni Jerome at very chill vibes yung version.
As the young man dies. On a cold and gray Chicago morning, another little baby
Very soothing. Sarap pakinggan.
in the ghetto.
Eh!
And his mama cries. In the ghetto.
Ooh, and I love that backup vocals. Ooh, there you have it, guys. Oh my God, nakakabitin. Ang ikli pala nito. There you have it, guys. That is Jerome Ebardome performing In the Ghetto. Grabe, very chill vibes pala tong In the Ghetto na song ni Elvis Presley. And nakakamiss. Very soothing. It's so nice to watch Jerome perform again. At talaga naman very refreshing. At fresh na fresh ang Jerome, guys. Parang bagong gupit at talaga naman bagong grooms si Jerome. Nakita nyo ang styling at syempre fresh na fresh. plus that amazing vocals. What can you say about this performance, guys? You can comment down below at pag-usapan natin yan sa comment section. Of course, if you enjoyed this reaction video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. Once again, my name is John. This is True Leisha Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now.